Part 1. Identifying your niche or idea. Welcome to the first part of our comprehensive guide on starting a business with ChatGPT. In this series, we'll take you through the journey of harnessing the power of ChatGPT for entrepreneurship. This guide will help you navigate every step, from ideation to implementation. Let's dive into Part 1. Identifying your niche or idea. Step 1. Understand ChatGPT's potential. Before you begin, it's crucial to grasp the capabilities of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI, capable of generating human-like text responses. It can be applied to various business niches, making it a versatile tool for entrepreneurs. Step 2. Brainstorm business ideas. Start by brainstorming potential business ideas where ChatGPT can add value. Consider industries or areas that could benefit from natural language understanding and generation. Think about sectors like customer support, content creation, e-learning, and more. Step 3. Evaluate market demand. Once you have a list of ideas, assess market demand. Research the industry trends, customer needs, and pain points. Determine if there is a gap that ChatGPT can fill or a problem it can solve effectively. Step 4. Narrow down your niche. Based on your research, narrow down your niche. Define your target audience and their specific needs. This step is crucial for focusing your efforts and resources effectively. Step 5. Validate your idea. To ensure your chosen niche is viable, validate your business idea. Conduct surveys, interviews, or run pilot tests to gather feedback from potential customers. Adjust your concept based on their input. Step 6. Analyze competitors. Study your competitors in the chosen niche. Identify what they are doing well and where they may be falling short. Look for opportunities to differentiate your business and offer a unique value proposition. Step 7. Develop your business concept. With a solid understanding of your niche and market, develop a detailed business concept. Outline how ChatGPT will be integrated into your business model and the specific problems it will solve. Step 8. Create a business plan. Draft a comprehensive business plan that covers your business goals, strategies, financial projections, and marketing tactics. This plan will serve as your roadmap for the journey ahead. Step 9. Legal and ethical considerations. Consider the legal and ethical aspects of using ChatGPT in your business. Ensure compliance with data privacy regulations and adhere to ethical AI usage guidelines. Step 10. Build a team. Assemble a team with the skills necessary to execute your plan. This might include AI developers, content creators, marketers, and legal experts. Step 11. Secure funding. Explore funding options such as bootstrapping, seeking investors, or applying for grants to support your business venture. Step 12. Start implementation. With your niche identified and plan in place, you're ready to move on to the implementation phase. Stay tuned for Part 2 of our guide, where we'll dive into crafting a compelling brand identity. Stay connected with us as we guide you through the entire journey of starting a successful ChatGPT-powered business. Your entrepreneurial adventure begins now.